new toy I've got. Miele Novo. Bought for £30. It's not in working order. Quite broken. Okay. Open up the door. There's a new boot. The person I bought this off gave me a new boot in the wrapper. And of course the classic Miele drum. Miele made in Germany, blah blah blah. The motor is there and needs to be put back on. I've lost the bolts for that. I need a new control board, a fuse and relay. That cost about a couple of pounds, so switch it on. Okay, so we've got cotton's 95. Cotton 75. 60, 40, 30. Minimum iron 60, 50, 40, 30. Delicates 40, 30. Code 1 inch 40, 1 inch 30. Code 1 inch is 1200 spin, but delicates is 600. Don't understand that. Quick wash 40. Starch, which pre-wash. Spin, drain, separate rinse, and mix wash. Polygons at 40 and finish. So we got the door button. Scared me the first time I opened it. So yeah. Door open. Okay, so let's have a look at the options. We got soak. I've got short, free wash soak, water plus. Quick wash, we can have water plus, no options. Mixed wash, we can have short, free wash soak, water plus. Got 1200, 900, 600 rinse zone, we've got spin. Okay, we've got the on off button, the door release and the start. Old fashioned drawer like. Some screws in there for something, I don't know what. Quite mouldy paint in there. So look at that. Dirty thing. Not very safe washing machine, I don't think. I'll show you for why. So we want cotton 75 and restart it. Oh shit. Still open the door, it could be filling. Right, let's put that finish in a minute. Okay, so this is what's the problem. So if I put on drain, now it's spin, blah blah blah. Such a drain, and the rinse is flashed. Then that's that. Door opens straight away, but it cuts out. But what if that was at 1200? Oh, it needs a new belt, I forgot to say. Look, that complete way with the belt. Try this. Belt. I knew I'd plug it in, but what I didn't think from there on. There's a motor, big chunky beast. I've done anti-crease finish and we're still flashing rinses. And then now we're not stopping rinses. Okay. Finish it off. Some starch. Nothing naughty happens. Back onto drain. Oh, the lights go off now. Belt's not on it, by the way. Hopefully this will replace the intercept. Oh, what's that about? Oh, there it is. Half of it's missing. So I need to replace in defo. It's a very heavy machine, of course. And then it's stop flashing. So that is a PCB failure. Needs a new rate relay and a fuse. Probably replace that. It's a bit tired looking, I think. Bit of white vinegar, bring all this up roughly. Not flashing now, look. Oh yeah, it is. Flashing again. Well, I know I do like this machine. It's one of my favourites because of this dial, that's all. Yes. Oh. MX Wash 2900. Bit of a pain. Alright, and it's nice to have the option of a pre-wash, so that's that. Okay, that's my miele. Got soap free wash. That needs all scratching off. Might have to get a new control panel. So whether or not I can be bothered to do that. And also another fault. The doorbell's a bit wrong. It's a bit smelly inside, so what I'm gonna do is leave that open overnight to air out. Bye.